Hi there, I'm Monsi Olivas. I'm the parish intern at the Basilica of St. Mary's for the summer. I just wanted to open this video by saying a big thank you. I'm here to talk about family summer programs, and we just hosted one in June. So a big thank you to all the families who donated food and all the families who showed up to assemble the meal packages. And we ended up with 6 full boxes of meal packages for those kids, with about 7 to 8 leftover boxes of food snacks. So the Christ House was very excited that we were helping them, and they received our donation very, very thankfully. This month we're serving a different part of our community, specifically mothers and fathers who are in need of a few material goods like diapers, baby wipes, baby clothes, and probably like formula and soaps and things. The Basilica is partnering with the Moriah Center, and they are a charity that receives donations of clothes and baby wipes, other baby needs, toys and things, just to fill in the little gaps that these mothers and fathers need when they're working hard to make ends meet, but there's still a little bit of need in their families. The Moriah Center opened in 1974 to serve pregnant women and their children, and to give options, especially for women in crisis who don't necessarily know if they have anywhere to turn to when they feel like they can't provide for their children. As part of the community, the Basilica of St. Mary's invites you to donate your old baby items or chip in to provide a mother and her baby some basic groceries like diapers, formula, and soap. We will be accepting donations at the parish office at 313 Duke Street up until July 12th at 3:30 p.m. when our family summer program begins. So thank you so much for supporting us, and we look forward to your donations. Families are also invited to come and join us at 3 p.m. in the church for a family holy half hour. So you will come, join us for a time of prayer, and then afterwards at 3:30 we will go and assemble the donations in the Lyceum. So please, we welcome all donations, but especially we just welcome you and your presence to come and pray with us and be there together.